Is dressing a challenge? Try Silvert's adaptive designs. Are you arthritic or have difficulty managing buttons? Try Silvert's easy dressing Velcro front blouses. Velcro tabs are concealed behind each decorative button, and one long strip of Velcro replaces buttonhole closures. Each Velcro tab closes with ease, requiring little hand dexterity. Undressing is a breeze. The Velcro tabs separate easily, allowing the individual to disrobe with minimum effort. Why struggle with buttons anymore? The person being dressed has been dressed in a comfortable, struggle-free manner. All of Silvert's adaptive designs are designed to withstand the rigors of industrial laundries. Silverts offers an unconditional money-back guarantee. At Silverts, our 77 years of experience offers you the best in affordable quality service and design.